I have booked over 1000 B2B sales calls for over 40 different companies, and it's always painful to see that half of these companies has wasted half of the leads that I have gave them. When I booked them the meeting or sent them the lead, they just went in their meeting, had it, they had a good meeting, and then just nothing. They just waited money and clients to magically appear. But that's not how you do outbound marketing. If you're selling to your network or do inbound marketing when people come to you, yes, usually you can close them in the first call. But in outbound marketing, so if you're sending cold emails, doing LinkedIn outreach, doing cold calls, you need to follow up with these people relentlessly to actually make them close. They will not automatically close after the first meeting and send you money. Now, lucky for you, I'm going to show you exactly how you can keep track of your sales conversations, what to do after the first meeting, and how to follow up with these people so you will make them buy. Because if you're doing outbound marketing, you need to make them buy. Now, this is a Fluid CRM. I have actually built this myself because I want to follow up as fast as possible, but you can use whatever CRM system you want, but you need to be using one in outbound marketing. And how every single CRM pretty much works is that you will have this kind of a stage pipeline here. And depending on your specific business, you can have different kind of pipelines. Personally, I use this kind of pipeline. So when I get a positive reply from a cold call, cold email, LinkedIn, or whatever source, I put it here. So I create a new deal here, name them. Maybe I added at their website here. Also their email address and also social media profile here and potential deal value. So if I'm selling 4,000 euro packages, I write here. Then I create the deal and boom, I have my lead here. Now every single day I come here, I check what is happening in my business, which kind of people are in the positive reply stage, which kind of people are in the sales call stage, so I have booked them in, which people are in proposal stage, so I have sent them a proposal of my services, and this way these people will advance, so they will come to the positive reply stage, you can then book them in, and then they're here. Then when you send them a proposal, they are here, and every single day you can come here and follow up with them. And what's great about Fluid compared to other solutions is that you can use the hotkeys here. So imagine if you have dozens of different sales conversations from different sources, it's getting time consuming to every single day follow up with these people and advance your business and pipeline to make them buy. So that's why you can use these hotkeys, so you can hover over different leads, and then you can press W. So this takes them to the website you have assigned here. Also, if you have assigned a social media profile here, you can hover and press S, and this way you go to LinkedIn and or X or whatever social media profile you're using for outreach, and you can follow up extremely fast. Now, with Fluid, you can also create unlimited pipelines. So here, if you have multiple offers you are testing or multiple businesses like I have, I usually track one business here. So one business leads are here. Then I can select another business and also create a third business if I want here. Third business. And then I can also edit these stages. So lead, meeting, proposal, negotiation. I can create a new one and then rename it as it was, and then reorder it and save changes. And this way it's super easy to keep track of every business. And a big problem with another CRM systems is that you will have a lot of features and a lot of information in your way. So you will actually need to go through the information and it will slow you down significantly. So in Fluid, you can actually go to the Preferences tab. You can select which fields you want to include in your deal creation section here. So let's hide all of these except maybe website and the name, just to show you what it looks like. So now you only have the fields here that you actually use. You don't need to look at it every single time, and that way you will save your mental energy and you actually have energy to sell as well. And what's also cool, you can add your team here. So if you have multiple team members, you can invite them here easily, and this way you can collaborate with your team, and that way you can close more deals faster. Anyways, that's a quick video for you on how you can actually keep track of your pipeline, keep track of every single prospect in your business, and see clearly what is happening in your business so you can follow up faster and close more deals.